Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. So this is the issue. As you can see here, when I typing this command, it is showing it's not recognized as internal or external command. So if you are facing this issue, this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So first of all, this issue occurs mainly when the system variables path is not set as Windows System 32. So this is the reason this is happening on your computer. In order to fix this issue, you can simply run the cmd as admin, or you can navigate the path from here as well. Type here cd c colon Windows, then System 32, and by this way you should able to get the command. It should work now. But if you want to permanently fix this issue, what you can do is you can open the run command from Windows search, or you can press Windows plus R button. My VM is not responding. Now you need to type here sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl and hit OK key. And once you press OK key here, just wait here for some time. Go to System, Advanced, then Invariable Variables, and from this way under the System Variables go to Path and click on New. Not a new, just make a double click, and you can see here you need to create your new path here. So in order to create the new path, you need to navigate to this path first. Press Window R and navigate this path, System 32. Okay, I click on new, or you can go both way. I will show you. Just you need to hit this path here, C colon. Let's make a capital to C colon backslash System 32. This is the path. Then click on OK and click on OK. And let's try now to open the CMD again. This path is opening perfectly here. Now let's open CMD. And hit here OK. Now this is the path. Let's type now hostname. And now it's working fine. If that path is also not working, so I have another path for you as well, sysdm.cpl, and this is a path you need to enter here. Percentage system root percentage backslash System 32. Double click and delete this path, this one, and the same command will not work now. Let me show you as well. If I press up arrow key, press enter, it's still working, but let me try here. OK, and now let's see. Up arrow key, press enter, it is still working. Let's again open the sysdm.cpl and then open CMD again. Open now, let's type. As you can see, same error is coming up. And now let's open this path again and make this make this entry here. Now let's paste this entry now and hit OK. Apply. OK. And let's press up arrow key. Let's open the CMD again. CMD. As you can see, it's working fine now. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.